Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Schok Freedom Turbo here, right here, all in one package guys. Lots and lots of stuff and lots of goodies to look at. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about this phone or any other phones or videos you want to see made on the channel. So let's go ahead and dive right into this box. It says extreme performance all in one bundle. So we do get a lot of stuff right here, so I am going to be talking a little bit fast guys, so just pause the video at any point that you want to see any of this stuff, the branding, anything that actually is displayed on the box. This can be had at Target, I believe, for $150 or maybe $130 if I'm not mistaken. So there's that, and the price might vary, go up and down, depending on specials and prices and all that other stuff. Like I said, this is a nice bundle from Schok. There's the phone you can see on the exterior right there. Let's go ahead and just take a look at some of the specs that are called out here on the side. So it's a 5-inch HD display, a rear camera, 13 megapixel camera, and an 8 megapixel front camera. Quad core, 1.5 gigahertz, fastest processor in its class, with a asterisk right there. 2 graphic processing units running at 600 megahertz, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of memory, expandable up to 272 via SD card. Internal steel structure. You got VR ready, which is awesome. It is unlocked, guys, right there, and it does come with Google Cardboard, or you can go ahead and get Google Cardboard. And right there, you can actually scan this QR code right there to actually get, to see more about it. And in the box is included a wall charger, tempered glass protector, colorful backs, a premium case protector, which I really like. I have it on my other Schok XL. Extra long 5-foot USB cable. You get your headphones and you get your card that's magnet. And we're going to take a brief look at the back here. Like I said, pause the video guys if you do want to read all the stuff right here, but it says it's strong steel inner structure, holds amazing best-in-class features such as a pro-tuned America near 13 megapixel rear 13 megapixel camera and a front 8 megapixel camera. Powerful dual band Wi-Fi, so you get your 2.4 and your 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi right there. You get a 2.5D arch tempered glass, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so that's all the stuff that you get right there. Another look right there. The resolution is HD 720. Right there, you get a 2400 milliamp battery. And yeah, so let's go ahead and basically get into this box and see what it actually comes with it. I don't want to make this unboxing super long, but they do have a lot of nice features and goodies that come in this box. So just want to point that out basically. So here is the phone, comes in a nice little wrapper right there. Here are the cases right there that you get with it. So you do get a red case that is nice and ribbed, a white case that is nice and ribbed as well for extra grippiness, and you get a blue one. So red, white, and blue. So if you want to color coordinate, that's awesomeness. Here is your glass screen protector right there with your alcohol prep pad and everything good to go. Like I said, I put this on the XL version of it. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. You do get a customer service desk thing right there that you can go ahead and stick on your fridge. Here's the battery, so let's go ahead and put the battery to the side. Here is the 5-foot cable right there that you get. It is a micro USB cable, so let's go ahead and just kind of open that up and see what it looks like. Obviously, guys, you've seen a 5-foot micro USB cable, but I just want to take a look at it. And it all has the Schok branding on there, so I really like the Schok branding. And I like how everything actually comes with the Schok, and it's like, actually has their branding. It's not just like generic stuff. As you can see right here, Schok right there, embedded right there, or I forget how they call this, but yeah. So that's pretty cool right there. The battery serves as a magnet, so you can literally just put it right there on your phone or on your car dash mount. I believe this can be used by anybody, guys, but especially for traveling. If you're traveling along, the phone breaks and you need something right away to work with whatever kind of services you have, I think this is an amazing, compelling device. So here's your headphones right there. Looks pretty cool. I like the it includes the microphone right there, so that's pretty nice, all in the box. And then of course you get your wall wart, and you get your user manual, stuff of that nature that people don't usually tend to read. But it's nice that it's included, so can't say I didn't get my stuff included. So there's the wall wart right there, and there's the instruction booklet, and there's the thing right there. So I am gonna go ahead and pop in this stuff, get this all cleared out. Put that back right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the battery on the phone real quick. Actually, let me go ahead and get all this stuff situated. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I'm back with the phone right here. So I did want to show you guys that it does come with a nano slot right here, and it does come with a micro USB or micro SIM slot right here, and then it comes with a micro SD card slot right there, so you can expand your memory just like it says on the package. And to install the battery, you just put it right there. Bam, that is the battery installed. Back cover goes right back on. Obviously the colorful things right there. So I do like that they have the cutout right there, really big cutout for the speaker on the back there. And here's your case. So this is a hybrid case actually. It's gummy on the sides, and then it's actually rigid on the back. I like that. With the Motorola E5 Supra, all that came with it was the gummy, the jelly kind of case. So this is more of like a case that you're gonna actually use day to day. Let's go ahead and take this off right here, and of course everything is called out right there, just in case you didn't know. Ultimate bundle inside. So let's go ahead and power this thing up. Well, actually, let's go ahead and take a look around the device real quick before we do that. So we do have your 32 megapixel camera right there with your LED flash, and we do have your 8 megapixel camera right there on the front. We have your speaker grill right there. We have your microphone jack right there, and then your charging port right there. And yeah, so that looks to be about it, guys. Everything lies on the side right here. So you do have a volume up and down rocker right there, and a power button right there. So let's go ahead and power this puppy up for the first time. Once again, case, boom, and first boot up of the Schok device. There you go. Hey, I like their branding as well. Schok, it's kind of just different, you know. Got your little smiley face up there, and then you got your power thing right there. So kind of cool, kind of cool. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this thing to the home screen basically, and that's gonna be about it. I'm gonna do a full review later on with this device, because I really want to take it through its paces. I have been playing with the XL version a lot, so I definitely want to play around with this version as well, carry both of them as my daily drivers in my pocket, so to see what they perform like and all that other good stuff. So yeah, first boot up, let's go ahead and I'll come right back when everything is situated. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and skip all this stuff for the time being, and then I will let's see here, don't use any networks for setup. Continue. Let's just go ahead and skip. I'm going to skip all the way through this stuff, get to that good old home screen, see what she looks like, and then I'm going to set up my phone later with all my apps and all that stuff. So let's see, skip. Set up later. So there we have it. Welcome, wallpapers and widgets and settings. So there you have it, guys. That's your first basically impressions of the Schok Freedom Turbo right there. And as you can see, guys, not a lot of bloatware on the device. I actually like that fact that there's not a lot of bloatware on the device. So, you know, the memory and everything like that, you get most of your 16 gigabytes of memory instead of having like 32, and like half of it is already dedicated towards all the bloatware that they put on your system. So that's really, really cool of them to do that. And you get your different stuff right there. You get your browser, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts, all that good stuff, you know. Obviously So let me know, guys, what you want to see in the video review of the phone. Do you want to see, you know, the camera, how the YouTube works, how it connects, everything like that? But as of right now, for what comes in the box, with all the cool stuff that comes in the box and all the cases and all that stuff, I really think this is a compelling device for the price point. 2 gigabytes of RAM, and you get your 16 gigabytes of storage. You get your, you know, tempered hard glass. You get your cases. You get your headphones in there. You get, I mean, everything that's just included. I think it's a really compelling device so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this phone through its paces in the Magic Tech Review Labs. But hey, I think so far it's a winner to me. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to hit that bell for more videos. Bye bye now.